Assalamu alaikum, dear students, welcome to this video. Today we are discussing in this video basic multiplication question. Multiplication is a easy question but some students not understand easily. Let's start this video. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to, now understand, very easy concept. 3 multiplied by 2, 3 is the biggest number, so we write 3 above 2, and 2 is the smallest number, so we write 3 below 2. If we want to know 3 multiplied 2 is the correct answer, so before we write table of 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 6 is the correct answer.